You know now how to, let's straight away first. What is the smallest uh, unit in a table? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, repeat again, sir.
What
Cell.
is the smallest unit?
Cell.
Cell. Yes, cell. Very good. And the table is a combination of rows and columns, right?
Column. Yes, sir.
Here, A, B, C, D are the name of the columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the name of the rows. Okay. Now, each and every cell here has an individual name, has a unique name. And it is basically, the name is a combination of column name and the row name. Like if I'm selecting here, the name of this cell is E8. Fine.
Sir, total how many cells and how many columns and rows are present in Excel, sir?
Okay, if you want to see the total number of rows and columns in an Excel, then what you can do, आपको ये corner पे, could you see this small triangle here in this corner near
Yes,
A?
sir.
Just
Yes, sir.
click it on. Okay, just click on that only. Could you see this number up above that cursor? Hello?
Yes, sir.
It's 10,000, sorry, 10,48,576 rows and 60,384 columns. Could you see that? Yeah, here. Is it visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अगर आप, whenever you want to see that, what you have to do, just go and click on that. ठीक है, और उसे पकड़ के रखना, मतलब क्लिक करके रखना, don't leave it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once you read it, then you can leave. Once you will leave, then it will again become the cell name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, as I told you that every cell has a unique name. Like this is F4, this is F7, this is H6, right? I don't think there is any confusion in this thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You could also see the names of these cells here in the name box. As I'm selecting any cell, you could see the name is changing. It is now F7, right? This box is known as the name box. Okay. Please say okay or yes or no, sir. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because मुझे, I think ना कि network is gone, nobody is listening to me. That comes to my mind. So if you are saying yes or no, then we, okay. Now there is one more feature in Excel which is widely used and which is very useful. Like देखो क्या होता है ना, like यहाँ पे आपने E6 लिख दिया, you have written, you have not written, like this is the E6, but it is not possible to remember the cell names every time, right? है ना? Again, you have to click it on and you have to see, okay, this is G8, G6. Now, what you can do, you can name your cell also. Like, I'm just highlighting so that ye pata chale. I can name this cell. Like, I'm clicking this one and I will just go to this place and just write it name. Like, I will write name as Divya. Press enter. And let's see. Whenever I'm going to click here, I will just press Divya and I will just press enter. See, वो वाला cell फिर से select हो जा रहा है. Could you see this?
Yes, sir.
This way you can name every cell according to your requirement. Like I was selecting this cell and I'll just click on here and I'll just write the name like Ramya. Just press enter. Now, whenever I will click here and I'll write Ramya and press enter, see, the same cell will get selected. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, as you could name the cells, you could also name some range. Now, what is a range? Range is basically basically a sequence of cells. Okay, selecting. When you are selecting a sequence of cells together, that is known as a range. Like this is B7 to I7. बात समझ में आ रही है? Are you getting my point? If I'm selecting from here to here, the range is what? From B7 to I7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the procedure of writing the range, you can write it like this way, like B7 colon to I7. That means the cell is from B7 to I7. All the cells between B7 to I7 are selected now. Got that?
Yes, sir.
Rather than selecting this range, you can also name this. Like I'll just put a name here, like Deepika. Press enter. Now, whenever I will write Deepika, see what will happen. See, again that particular cell is selected, that range is selected, right? Okay. Similarly, if you are selecting a table, and you can again name this table like okay, okay, done. So whenever you are going, you can just write NIKITHA and press enter C. That whole table will get selected. Are you getting my point? So you can name each and everything individually here in this Excel sheet. Got that?
Yes, sir.
Clear here?
हाँ, sir.
हाँ, sir.
Okay, now what if you get a fresh sheet, like आपको किसी ने mail किया है ये sheet, and you don't know what are the names which are written here? तो आप कैसे पता करोगे? Like आपको पता है ना कि मैंने क्या क्या नाम दिए हैं, but अभी अगर कोई नया बच्चा join करता है, then how he or she will identify that what are the names that are written here? So for that, it's a very simple thing. Click on this arrow wala symbol. When you will click on this arrow wala symbol, now you will get all these names what you have written here. Okay. So when you will select one thing, it will select that. Okay. बात समझ में आया?
हाँ,
हाँ,
sir.
sir.
Okay. चलो. Moving to the next topic. Renaming वगैरह you all know. Adding more sheets by plus. You can do all these things. So let's write something then, and then we will